What's going on, guys? In this video today, I'm going to show you the top 5 best outdoor security cameras in 2024. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore each camera's features, performance, and reliability, providing you with the insights you need to make an informed decision. From cutting-edge night vision capabilities to advanced motion detection systems, these cameras are designed to keep your property safe and secure. Plus, stick around until the end for a special bonus tip on maximizing your outdoor surveillance setup. And if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start with the video.
Number 5. The WYZE V3 with color night vision. This indoor-outdoor video camera has been making waves in the smart home security market, and we're here to dive into its features and performance. First off, let's talk about the design. The WYZE V3 boasts a sleek and compact design that's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Its IP65 rating ensures durability in various weather conditions. Just keep in mind that for outdoor use, you'll need the WYZE outdoor power adapter sold separately. One standout feature here is the color night vision. Thanks to the starlight sensor and the f1.6 aperture, this camera can capture vivid, full-color footage in environments up to 25 times darker than traditional cameras. The 1080p HD video quality is impressive during the day and remains clear at night. WYZE V3 excels in motion and sound detection. It sends real-time alerts straight to your phone when activity is detected. The customization options, including motion detection zones, let you tailor the sensitivity to your specific needs. If you're looking for 24/7 monitoring, the WYZE V3 supports continuous recording with a 32GB micro SD card, sold separately. Just pop it in and you're good to go. It's an excellent feature for those who want to keep a constant eye on their property. Another noteworthy aspect is its compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and IFTTT. This means you can integrate it into your existing smart home ecosystem seamlessly. One thing to keep in mind is that this product is primarily designed for use in the US, so international users might need an adapter or converter. In conclusion, the WYZE V3 is an affordable and versatile indoor-outdoor camera with impressive color night vision, excellent motion detection, and smart home integration. It's a solid choice for enhancing your home security. If you're in the market for a reliable and feature-packed camera, this one is definitely worth considering. Number 4. The eufyCam 2C Outdoor Security Camera. This 2-camera kit promises to keep your home safe and sound with a bunch of awesome features. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk about the design and build quality of the eufyCam S210. These cameras feel solid and well constructed. They're IP67 rated, which means they're built to withstand the elements, making them perfect for outdoor use. And let me tell you, these cameras are compact and discreet, blending seamlessly with your home's aesthetics. Now, what really matters in a security camera is the video quality, right? These cameras boast 1080p HD resolution, delivering crisp and clear footage. But what's impressive is the color night vision feature, which ensures you can see everything even in low light conditions. Plus, those 2 LED floodlights are a game-changer, illuminating the area and deterring potential intruders. Motion detection is crucial, and these cameras excel in that department. You can customize motion zones through the Ring app, focusing on the areas that matter most to you. When motion is detected, you'll receive notifications on your phone, tablet, or PC. It's like having an extra set of eyes on your property 24/7. Another standout feature is the two-way talk, allowing you to communicate with whoever's at your doorstep. And if you need to sound the alarm, there's a 105 decibels security siren that can be triggered remotely through the app. Setting up these cameras is a breeze, especially if you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. They can also be hardwired for continuous power. And speaking of connectivity, these cameras play nicely with home automation. You can pair them with Alexa for voice commands and integrations with Echo devices. So in conclusion, the eufyCam 2C Outdoor Security Camera is a solid choice for home security. With impressive video quality, customizable features, and integration with Alexa, it's a comprehensive solution. The only thing to note is that for video storage beyond 180 days, you'll need a Ring Protect plan, which is sold separately. Number 3. The Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus, a powerful security camera with some impressive features. If you're in the market for top-notch home security, you'll want to stick around for this. Let's start with the design. The Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus comes in a sleek, modern package. It's sturdy and well-built, which is crucial for outdoor use. Setting it up was a breeze. You'll need to hardwire it to your home. But once that's done, connecting to Wi-Fi is straightforward. In no time, you'll have around-the-clock surveillance. Now, the video quality is something to talk about. This camera boasts 1080p HD resolution, ensuring you get crystal-clear footage. But what really caught my eye is the color night vision. Even in low-light conditions, the video remains sharp and in color. And those two LED floodlights, they eliminate any dark spots, making sure nothing goes unnoticed. The motion detection system is top-notch. You can customize motion zones in the Ring app, so you're only alerted to what matters most to you. Plus, it has a 105 decibel security siren that can be activated remotely, an excellent deterrent for any potential intruders. One of the standout features is the live view. With the Ring app, you can check in on your property anytime, anywhere. The motion-activated notifications are incredibly handy. You'll get alerts on your phone, tablet, or PC when activity is detected. For added convenience, it pairs seamlessly with Alexa. You can receive motion alerts on your Echo devices or see a live view on an Echo show. And if you have a Ring Protect plan, Alexa can even make voice announcements and show live video when a person is detected. In conclusion, the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus is a fantastic investment for home security. With its high-definition video, motion detection, and Alexa integration, you'll have peace of mind 24/7. It's customizable, reliable, and built to last. If you're serious about safeguarding your home, this is a product you should consider. Number 2. The Google Nest Cam second-generation outdoor or indoor camera. This smart security camera is loaded with features and will be covering all the details you need to know before making your purchase decision. Let's start with its design. The Nest Cam is versatile. You can install it outdoors or indoors. And here's the kicker. It's battery-powered, so no need to fuss around with outlets. The magnetic mount makes installation a breeze, and it even comes with a wall plate for easy mounting on brick walls. When it comes to video quality, you're in for a treat. The Nest Cam offers 1080p HDR video with night vision, ensuring clear footage, even in low-light conditions. You won't miss a thing. Plus, it distinguishes between people, animals, and vehicles, sending alerts directly to your Google Home app without requiring a subscription. Now, what if your Wi-Fi goes down or there's a power outage? No worries, the Nest Cam has you covered. It can store up to an hour of recorded events, ensuring you won't miss a thing. And with a Nest Aware subscription sold separately, you can store up to 60 days of video history. This camera is not just a passive observer, it's smart too. You can set up activity zones to receive notifications about specific areas in your home. Plus, it works seamlessly with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, allowing you to stream live video feeds on compatible smart displays. Safety first. The Nest Cam lets you take immediate action if something happens. You can communicate through the built-in speaker and mic on the camera, or even call your local emergency service directly from the Google Home app with a Nest Aware subscription. In conclusion, the Google Nest Cam second-generation outdoor or indoor camera offers convenience, security, and smart features all in one package. Whether it's keeping an eye on your home or ensuring your loved one's safety, this camera has got you covered. Just remember, it requires the Google Home app and a free Google account, so make sure you're set up there. Number 1. The Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight Camera, a cutting-edge 2-camera security system that's packed with features. Whether you're a security enthusiast or just looking to bolster your home protection, this one's worth checking out. Let's start with the design and setup. The Arlo Ultra 2 boasts a wire-free installation, which means no drilling or messy cables to deal with. Installation is a breeze, and it provides a 180-degree view, ensuring every corner of your property is covered. It's perfect for those who want a comprehensive security system without the hassle. Now, one of the standout features is the color night vision. This camera captures full-color images at night, allowing you to see important details like faces and license plates clearly. Plus, with 4K video and HDR, you'll get crisp, high-resolution footage during the day. Arlo's smart features are impressive. With an Arlo Secure plan, you'll receive notifications tailored to people, vehicles, packages, and even animals. It's a game-changer for quick reactions and peace of mind. The camera can also zoom and track moving objects automatically, providing clearer details. Worried about constantly recharging the camera? Don't be. The Arlo Ultra 2 offers long-lasting battery life, reducing the hassle of maintenance. It also plays well with other smart devices, Alexa, Google Home, Apple HomeKit, and SmartThings, ensuring seamless integration into your existing ecosystem. Now, let's talk about the Arlo Secure plan. It includes 24/7 professional monitoring, 30-day cloud recording, advanced object detection, rich notifications, smart activity zones, and more. This plan takes your security to the next level. In conclusion, the Arlo Ultra 2 Spotlight Camera 2 camera security system is a fantastic addition to any home security setup. With its easy installation, impressive night vision, and smart features, you can stay on top of your home's safety effortlessly. So, if you value peace of mind and top-notch security, the Arlo Ultra 2 is definitely worth considering.
Ultimately, the best outdoor security camera for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. Consider the factors mentioned above when making your decision, and be sure to read reviews before you buy. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Contain Lock family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.